In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Mailchimp. Indenting text in Mailchimp is a great way to make your content easier to read and to highlight certain sections of your email. While there isn't a straightforward indent button like you might see in a word processor, we can achieve the same effect by adjusting the padding of a content block. I'll walk you through this step by step so you can follow along inside your Mailchimp campaign. First, open the Mailchimp campaign you're working on and go into the email editor. Once you're there, locate the content block that contains the text you want to indent. This might be a text block, an image and text combination, or another type of content. Click directly on that block to select it. When you click it, you should see the editing panel open up on the side of your screen, usually on the right. That tells you you're working with that specific block, and any changes you make will only affect that one. Next, in that side panel, look for the different tabs that control the block's settings. You'll typically see something like Content, Style, and maybe Settings or similar options. Click on the Style tab. This is where Mailchimp lets you control how the block looks, including fonts, colors, spacing, and, most importantly for us, padding. If you don't see the Style tab right away, make sure the correct block is still selected. Once you're in the Style tab, scroll until you find the padding controls. Padding is the space inside the block, between the border of the block and the content itself. You should see options for top, right, bottom, and left. To create an indent effect, focus on the left padding. Increase the left padding value slowly, a few pixels at a time, and watch the preview of your email as you do it. You'll see the entire content of that block move inward from the left side, creating a clean, consistent indent. Adjust it until it looks the way you want. Remember that this change affects the whole block, not just a single line of text. So this method works best when you want an entire paragraph or section to be indented. When you're happy with how it looks, make sure to save your changes and preview your email to confirm everything appears correctly on both desktop and mobile.